Say goodbye to unwanted hair even when you're traveling around the globe. In this video, we're uncovering how the Happy Curve Smoothie Bikini and Body Trimmer is revolutionizing travel for women. I'm Clarissa from Travels Unfiltered, and it's time to get into it. For us ladies always on the move, snagging the perfect grooming gadget can totally change the game. That's where the Happy Curve Smoothie Bikini and Body Trimmer comes in. It's a game changer designed for travelers like you. Let's find out why this trimmer should be a staple in your travel bag. The Smoothie Bikini and Body Trimmer is for any woman looking for a hassle-free, comfortable, and precise grooming experience. The Happy Curve Smoothie is an electric razor specifically designed for women, offering a waterproof hair trimming experience with adjustable guards. The device ensures smoothness and comfort, tracing the body's natural contours without causing irritation or cuts. Unlike other trimmers on the market, the Smoothie Bikini Trimmer is designed with women's needs at its core. It features a snap-on head for trimming and a foil head for shaving, along with 2 adjustable trimming guards for different hair lengths. Its 100% waterproof design allows for both wet and dry shaving, providing flexibility and convenience. Moreover, its whisper-quiet operation ensures discretion and a disturbance-free experience. Using the Smoothie is straightforward and user-friendly. All you have to do is choose between the trimming or shaving head depending on your needs. Attach the appropriate guard for your desired hair length, and you're ready to go. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to navigate around every curve and contour. The Happy Curve Smoothie Bikini and Body Trimmer packs a range of features designed for convenience, comfort, and precision. It boasts a long-lasting, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing up to 90 minutes of usage on a single charge. Additionally, this lightweight companion weighs in at approximately 250 grams, making it the perfect choice for travelers looking for a compact, efficient, and easy-to-carry grooming tool. We've fallen in love with the Smoothie on our travels. It's a game changer for staying groomed on the go, making sure you're always adventure ready. Not only is it super lightweight and easy to charge with just a USB-C cable, but it also keeps your skin irritation-free and smooth, which is exactly what you need after a long day of exploring. The Happy Curve Smoothie Bikini and Body Trimmer isn't just another gadget. It's your trusty travel buddy that ensures you're feeling fresh, confident, and ready for whatever your journey throws at you. From sun-soaked beaches to the hustle and bustle of city life. Compact, versatile, and waterproof, it adapts to your travel conditions, making sure you're prepared to embrace every moment without a worry. Trust us, it's a must-have for your travel kit. To purchase your own Happy Curve Smoothie Bikini and Body Trimmer, head to the link in the description box of this video. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time!